We are excited to bring you the 55th NCMS Annual Training Seminar. We have been working hard to make this the best one yet, so we have a lot of updates and things to be on the lookout for. Starting back in 1965, NCMS has hosted annual events throughout the country, and for the very first time, we are bringing this event to St. Louis. The seminar is going to be held at America's Convention Center in downtown, and there are 4 excellent hotel options that you can choose from, an all or a simple walk across the street. We have brand new courses that are going to be offered on Monday, and you can register for these courses separately and make the most out of your time in St. Louis. We are also continuing to expand our outreach opportunities. Remember, #NCMSGives. Upon arrival on Monday, be sure to check in at the registration desk so that you are prepared for the next 3 days of jam-packed seminar fun. You're going to meet our vendors and get some swag while enjoying food and entertainment at the welcome reception. For our first-timers, everything is new, and your best way to start off is to attend the first-time attendee orientation, where you're going to get a lot of tips and make new friends. A lot has changed in our world, so we're bringing you a lot of new information, material, and speakers and assistance with Help Desk SMEs. This is your best chance to interact face-to-face with professionals. When attending, you may even feel like a brand new person. You're going to be re-energized, informed, and even have a lot of new friends. And of course, don't forget to download the app and personalize your schedule and add the Headshot Lounge. At the Headshot Lounge, you will be able to wear your best outfit and take a picture and have that photo emailed to you on the spot. We can't wait to see you. Be sure to follow us during the seminar on Twitter at #NCMS2019 and visit the website for updates. We look forward to seeing you in St. Louis. Safe travels.